Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling my pantry and reorganizing it and getting it back in shape because it has been piling up and it has needed some organization solutions for a while, and I finally ordered some things. So just before Christmas, I tackled this as the new organizers came in, and I will also be organizing our utensils in a new organizer too. My husband likes to keep a lot of kitchen utensils to cook, and they were piling up in the drawer, so I wanted a solution so we could get some drawer space back. So you're going to see that quickly at the end. This is also a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. Every week, a bunch of YouTubers bring you tiny tidies around their home to give you cleaning motivation to tackle a few things on your to-do list and make a little bit of a difference. So I'm going to put on some music here and do the pantry and make it a whole lot better. I will leave a link to the playlist and to Sunday Dawn's channel down below in the description box, like always, so definitely check it out and get lots of cleaning motivation for your week. that is all for today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. As you can see, the pantry is looking so good. There is so much off to the side that we needed to get back in our pantry and organize, and there is a place for everything. And we did come up with some other storage solutions for some of the other items, but I am loving the way the pantry looks, and now this new organizer for all of the utensils for cooking. And this is the after, and it has been so much easier to maintain. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So definitely stick around if you like that content, and I will have a link to Sunday Dawn's channel down below and to the playlist for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.